Hey guys, today on Know Your Produce we're making banana chia pudding. It's absolutely delicious, healthy, and it's vegan. So let's get started. We need 2 ripe bananas. The riper the better. They bring out the sweetness in this recipe because we're not adding any sugar, not even a natural sugar like maple syrup. It's just from the bananas in this recipe. So once you have these mashed up to liquefied like this, we're gonna add it to an airtight container, and then we're gonna dump in the chia seeds. You can use white or black chia seeds, and then our favorite plant-based milk. I like using macadamia or cashew since they're a little bit more creamier, and I do not use sweetened ones. I actually do add in some vanilla because it gives it that extra note of flavor that I really love in a pudding. So this is basically a banana vanilla pudding, which is really good. Just mix it up until it's combined, and then you're gonna place it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours or even overnight. I like to give it another shake or even a stir in that time. And then it's perfect, it's ready to go, and it's so creamy. And you can see those banana chunks. It's just glorious. And I hope you guys enjoy this recipe as much as we do. I like to put bananas on top, some fresh fruit, and you're good to go, and that is it. We hope you enjoy this recipe as much as we do, and please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.